Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing a signals and systems example, even and odd parts for a continuous time signal. This was a question asked by one of our students in the comment section. So if you also have any such doubts, please do put it on the comment section and we'll try to respond. So let's start. The signal that we have is a cos function of omega naught t plus pi by 3, and we need to find out the even and odd parts. For even part, it will be x of t plus x of minus t by 2. For odd part, it will be x of t minus x of minus t by 2. So first, for finding out the even part, we also need the reverse signal. So it will be x of minus t. X of minus t will be, in place of t, you have to substitute minus t. So it will be cos of minus omega naught t plus pi by 3. So we have got both our functions x of t plus and x of minus t. Now let's proceed to find out the even part of the signal. What I've done is I've taken the 2, or the 2 which is in the denominator outside. So it is half multiplied by cos of omega naught t plus pi by 3 plus cos of minus omega naught t plus pi by 3. Now here, if you consider this function as a and this as b, this is similar to the cos a plus cos b formula. And if you try to remember that, cos a plus cos b is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 multiplied by cos a minus b by 2. This is the formula for cos A plus cos B. So that is what we are going to substitute here. So it will be half multiplied by 2 cos omega naught t plus pi by 3 plus pi by 3 minus omega naught t by 2 multiplied by cos omega naught t plus pi by 3 minus pi by 3 plus omega naught t. So here I have directly substituted minus and plus. So it is just that we are multiplying these uh, points by minus 1, okay, and divided by 2. Now if you see here, this half and this 2 will get cancelled, and what we remain with is cos 2 pi by 3, because omega naught t and minus omega naught t will get cancelled. It will be cos of 2 pi by 3 multiplied by cos of 2 omega naught t by 2, because pi by 3 will get cancelled. So then we have cos of pi by 3 multiplied by cos of omega naught t, because again then 2 and 2 gets cancelled in both of the functions. Now cos pi by 3 is half, as you know, and cos omega naught t will remain as it is. So we have half cos omega naught t as our even function, or even part, you can say. Now for the odd part, it will be x of t minus x of minus t. So here what we have done is half cos omega naught t plus pi by 3 minus cos minus omega naught t by plus pi by 3. So this would be equal to half. Now again, this is cos a minus cos b formula. So let me just write that here. Cos a minus cos b is equal to minus 2 sine a plus b by 2 sine a minus b by 2. So this will be equal to half multiplied by minus 2 sine omega naught t plus pi by 3 minus omega naught t plus pi by 3 by 2 multiplied by sine omega naught t plus pi by 3 minus pi by 3 plus omega naught t by 2. Now again, it's going to be the similar angle, so it will be minus 1 here, 2 2 will get cancelled. It will be minus 1 sine 2 pi by 3 by 2 sine 2 omega naught t by 2. Again, our 2 and 2 in the numerator denominator gets cancelled. We will get minus 1 sine pi by 3 multiplied by sine omega naught t, and sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. So we'll have minus root 3 by 2 sine omega naught t. So this is our x odd component of t. So we have our even component and our odd component. Hope you got these steps and how we have derived it. If you have any doubt related to this question or any other doubt in electronics or telecommunication engineering, you can put it in the comments and we'll try to respond. Also, if you have doubts related to computer science, you can put it on the Ebenezer Tutorials channel on YouTube and we'll try to respond. Please like, share, and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. Thank you for watching.